Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mary Beach back with another video. And listen, you already know I am all about exploring this crazy planet, seeing new places, experiencing different cultures, the whole deal, right? But here's the thing, we gotta do it responsibly. We gotta protect this place for ourselves and for everyone who wants to help us. So, in this video, we're going to dive deep into sustainable travel, talk about how we can make choices that are better for the planet. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about where you're going to rest your head at night. Look, I get it. Picking a hotel is all about location, location, location. But listen, there are so many amazing places out there that are going the extra mile to be eco-friendly. We're talking about hotels that are powered by the sun, using recycled materials, supporting local communities, the real deal. These places get it. They understand that taking care of the environment is just as important as providing a killer experience for their guests. And trust me, you can find these eco-friendly gems everywhere, from bustling cities to remote islands. You just got to know where to look. Do your research, people. There are websites and apps that can help you find these places. All right. Now, let's talk about getting around. Forget those gas-guzzling taxis and rental cars. I'm talking about embracing the local vibe and hopping on public transportation. Think about it. You're cutting down on emissions and getting a real taste of how people in that city or town move. It's an adventure in itself. And hey, if you're up for it, walking or biking are even better. You get some exercise, soak in the sights and sounds at your own pace. It's a win-win. Plus, think about all the money you'll save on gas. Chapter 3. Ditching the plastic, one water bottle at a time. This one's a no-brainer, people. Plastic waste is a huge problem, and we gotta do our part to cut down on it, especially when we're traveling. So ditch those single-use plastic bottles and bring your own reusable one. Fill it up at the hotel, at a cafe, wherever you can. And hey, while you're at it, why stop there? Pack your own reusable utensils, ditch the plastic bags, and bring your own tote. These small changes might seem insignificant, but trust me, they add up. Every little bit helps. Remember, we're in this for the long haul. Chapter 4. Supporting local, one meal at a time. Okay, let's talk about food. Glorious food. One of the best parts of traveling is experiencing the local cuisine, right? And what better way to do that than by supporting local businesses? Skip the big chain restaurants and seek out those hidden gems, the family-run joints that are serving up authentic dishes with local ingredients. Not only are you going to have an amazing culinary adventure, but you're also reducing your environmental impact. Think about it. Those ingredients didn't have to travel far to get to your plate. Plus, you're supporting the local economy. Talk about a win-win situation. Chapter 5. Leave no trace, respecting Mother Nature. All right, last but not least, let's talk about respecting the environment. This should go without saying, but always, always, always clean up after yourself. I'm talking about everything from candy wrappers to cigarette butts. Pack it in, pack it out. Don't be that person leaving their trash behind. And hey, take it a step further. If you see some litter on the ground, pick it up. Be a steward of this planet. Remember, we're not just visitors here, we're guests. Let's leave these places better than we found them. Let's make a difference. Look, traveling sustainably isn't about being perfect. It's about making conscious choices, one step at a time. Every little bit helps. And trust me, it's easier than you think. So next time you're planning a trip, keep these tips in mind. And hey, if you've got any other sustainable travel hacks, share the knowledge in the comments below. Let's create a community of conscious travelers, people who are down to explore this amazing world while protecting it at the same time. Until next time, happy travels.